Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Joe Cloninger over at Urban Hillsides Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you how to use a 3D tour. And in this case, we're using our Sereno Triplex for sale, and we're at urbanhillsides.com. I'm going to go ahead and hit this play button. It'll load up the tour. You'll see a 3D dollhouse view, and we're now in the space. I'm going to go over the user interface. It's very simple. On the left is a play button. After that, a dollhouse view. After that, a floor plan, and then a measurement tool. On the right, you see a share symbol. If you have VR glasses, you can use that. And then right now, I'm going to go ahead and use the full screen view for us. So in the full screen view, we really have two choices at this point. You can click around yourself for a self-guided tour, or we've got an automated tour, and you just hit this play button. We shoot this ourselves, we produce this ourselves. You see it's a video-like tour. You'll see that 360 symbol signifying that there is a view outside you can look at. As you can see, especially in this day and age, this is convenient, it's efficient, and foremost, it's safe. So, certainly the right technology for now. This will end out on the master bedroom here. It then prompts you to explore the 3D space yourself, again using a mouse. You can also use a touch screen device such as a phone. Very easy. I'll hit this 360 view symbol. We can see the neighbor next door. We can see there's a view, and also we can check out below where the other two units are. Clicking back into the space, we can now look at the floor plan. So it shows you first where we are, and then the floor plan itself. I'll click into the living room and show you the measurement device. I'll click on measurement mode, and we'll do this refrigerator starting at the top, going to the bottom, and it reveals 5 foot 10 inches. Okay. If you have a sofa you want to measure, see if it works along this wall, for instance, we can do that. Starting at this side, going to the corner, and that's 7 foot 7 inches. We invite you to check out the space yourself. It's a lot of fun doing this, and be safe, be well. Speak with you very soon. Take care.